Hey friends, welcome to the Wells channel. Today, I'll show you how to transfer a Google account from one Android phone to another. So for this, we need to open on both devices, the Google app, right? Here's Google, and here we open Google there. Now, depending on your device, you'll see your account here. So for example, I want to transfer this account over here. I go here and tap on Manage Your Google Account. Then I tap on this and tap Add Another Account. Like this. There. And here I have my email address. I'll enter it here. Tap Next. And now we tap the Forgot Password button there. And on this device, you just tap Yes, it's me. You select this number and it logs in. Then we tap Continue. You've transferred your account. That's it. This was Weller. See you all later.